So today I wanted to show you how to do a green pea kongguksu, which is usually a soy milk type sesame broth over noodles. And the reason is because I'll go into more of this later, but I'm doing an elimination type diet thing right now for the allergies that I have been having this season, and it's just been really horrible. So I've had to eliminate a lot of things, and so I just started putting sesame. There's a wasp. I just started putting sesame back into the diet. But if you are allergic to sesame, I could see you using something like toasted seeds, like another type of like toasted nut, or maybe like toasted sunflower seeds. I think would work really well here. Just something like nutty, roasty and nutty to add in some of that flavor. And this one's perfect for summer because after you make the broth, which is super easy, you can just stick it into the refrigerator, serve it cold. And usually I'll see it served with like a wheat noodle. But if you're off wheat, like I am, you can do something that's gluten-free. You can do soba, you can do, sweet potato noodles. All is really good. So I hope you all enjoy this one. So obviously we're going to start off with the green peas. You can take it from frozen. So this is a very, easy, convenient type recipe. So you can take it from the freezer to here and just boil it until it's done. So like maybe a minute or so. I'm just going to rinse this under cool water so that it keeps its green color. Like I had mentioned with the sesame seeds, sometimes they'll do it with sesame and pine nuts or like another kind of nutty thing. If you're allergic to nuts, if you're allergic to sesame seeds, again, some roasted, maybe pumpkin seeds, roasted sunflower seeds, just find something that's going to work for you. So, similarly to these noodles, I started eating sweet potatoes again, so probably, this is a bit on the starchier end. I probably should have done like soba or something, but I didn't have it at the time. I didn't have the 100% soba. So I opted to just do the sweet potato noodles. You can do whatever one you want. And then usually it's served with cucumbers and tomatoes. But really it's your pick. And the broth is just super good because of I think it's because of the sesame. It really adds like that nice like punch to it, and just a little bit of salt really does it. And I also added a wee bit of lemon juice towards the end just to pick up that bean flavor. I tend to like to do that, with peas and beans. So I hope you all enjoy. Sorry, I forgot to film this and started eating. But it's really creamy, and initially I thought that the sauce would be too salty. But it's actually really nice after you pair it with the noodles, so it's perfect. And I added a bit of lemon juice just to pick up the flavor of the peas just a little bit.